So by now, it's widely known that the BEC exams, the Cambridge BEC exams, will be retired in 2024. However, Cambridge will replace BEC with LinguaSkill Business, next generation BEC. Swiss exams brought LinguaSkill to Switzerland 5 years ago as a low-stake language test. And we are very delighted that Cambridge has decided to develop and enhance LinguaSkill to an internationally certified and recognized language assessment. So if you follow the link in the text, you will see that there are a number of events coming up in September on the topic, and we would cordially invite you and recommend you to attend them. So hopefully see you in September.